Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today let's see how to make this moist and delicious banana bread. Let's get started. In a large bowl, take some bananas and mash it using a fork. Into that add some butter and some oil and mix it. Add 2 room temperature eggs and mix it really well with the mashed bananas and butter. Add few drops of vanilla essence. Now here I'm adding some brown sugar. You can use the regular sugar as well. Into that add some all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda and sift and add it to the wet mixture. Into that add some salt, some cinnamon powder and some chocolate chips. Mix everything really well. Add some milk in between and combine it. Here I am adding some chopped cashew nuts. You can use any type of nuts. Walnuts also goes really well in this banana bread. Now our cake batter is ready. Pour it into a greased cake tin. Give a nice tap to get rid of all the air bubbles and bake this at 160-degree preheated oven for 1 hour or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow it to cool down and slowly unmold it. And that's it. Your delicious banana bread is ready to be enjoyed. This banana bread is super soft and moist. The chocolate chips and cashew nuts gives a really good crunch. Thanks for watching and happy baking. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos.